OMG, check out this cute little haul I have. Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have one of the cutest little crafty haul. If you are new to Temu, I do have a Temu code, and I also have a $100 bundle that you could use to save more money. So go ahead and use that. So let's get into this and check out all the cuteness. Okay, I have this tool right here. Let me put this there so I can show you that. And I believe you get 1 yard. So let me open this one. Look how pretty that is. Doesn't that just say spring? Look at that. Let me put that closer to you. Look at that. And you get a good amount. How pretty is that? That's a nice little spring project right there. So I have, and the shop has different colors, so I got 3 different colors, and I think the only one I didn't get might be purple and I want to say green. The next one I have is blue. There's that one. There's one. It's actually real pretty. Like I say, you did get a real good amount on there. And of course, my favorite color, the pink one. Look at that. And it does have a some glitter in there. That's real pretty. And this one, I do have a little project that I want to do with this one. Oops. Okay, the next one I have, these are little, I think they're nail charms. But I got this for embellishment, and they're little I believe, lollipops, I believe. Yeah, lollipops. Let me show you this one. How cute is that? I wish I had more yellow, but I'll take that. And this is random colors too. How pretty is that? Okay. That's real nice. I'm going to use those for embellishments. Now when I saw these, I had to have them. I do like the browns with the pinks and the light browns and tans. So I got these ones. Oops, don't want to break those. Look how pretty those are. Look at those. Now those are gorgeous. Yeah. And like I said, these are random. So you get pink. Well, I think they're random. But you get a dark brown, light brown creams, and the like the lightest white. So those come together with that. And these are all flat backs. So, and those you can make it into a charm if you wanted to. Now this one I do have two, and they have the word love on there, so one will be going to a giveaway. So I'll open, okay, open this one. Like I said, these are flat backs, and these are also random, so you get whatever colors they have, whatever they give you. And this one gave a lot of red, a lot of green. I don't know why I keep thinking about red. And it just has the word love on there. Look at that. Yeah, the little flower on there. How cute is that? Okay. Okay, now this one, actually this one, I had one in my cart and it went out of stock. So when I saw this one, I went ahead and got it. And there's also a charm. And she's from Pop Mart, but this is an unofficial brand, so it's not an actual the name brand, because Temu makes it, or they make it. Look at that. How cute is this? And if you don't know what Pop Mart is, it's another brand like Hello Kitty, but it's a different brand that has Labubu and Skull Panda, Demo, Crybaby, Dora, and a lot of others. Nancy. The list goes on. And I know they're starting to get popular here in the US. But if you go on TikTok, you knew about them for a while now, because they're popular on TikTok. Okay, here's some sunflowers. And these are also flat backs. These are more of like acrylic. They feel like acrylic. Oh, this is a broken one. Of course, my green. Okay, look at that. This one, I had one green, and I got the blue, the dark pink, the light pink, and the oranges, the like a cream, one purple, and a yellow. It's real nice. I like that. I wish my green wasn't broken, but I've noticed in my packages I've been having one thing broken in each one, which I'm not liking. But on the bright side, you can always ask for a refund, and they usually give it. Okay, next thing I have are these. Look at these cute These are cutie patootie bugs. I have the butterfly, the snail, the bee, the what is this? I'm thinking I don't know what that is. It just went on a blank. Let me see. Oh, the grasshopper? I think it's a grasshopper. I'm guessing. I think it's a grasshopper. Let me know in comments if I'm right, but I'm thinking a grasshopper. But look at that. How cute is that? Look at all the little cutie patooties. And that. Those are real cute. I like those too. If you like these kind, the bugs here, the cute ones, I have another haul that I did, another video. You might want to check out because I did haul some caterpillars, some cute ones too. Okay, these are some flowers that I have here. Let me open those ones. I love flowers. Look at these. Now I like pink, but I wish I had more. I do like the green. I wish I had more green in those. Instead of the dark, I wish I had more green and more the light pink. That. Those are pretty. Real pretty. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Now I have to make a trip to Daiso so I could buy some more storage containers. Okay, this one here I have, oh, these are some drinks. And this one, I thought these were cool. These are Starbucks and cola. Look at that. How cool are those? I think these are so cute. I'm not too big on clear type of charms. I like the solids, but actually I thought these were cute. Look at that. Those are pretty nice. Another thing I have, I really like these here. These are appliques too, and they're flowers. This one's come in the purple, a dark purple, a pink, a blue. I think this was a, what did I say, like a I think that's a lavender. Can't tell in this lighting. And a green. Let me show you those. Look at that. Another cute one. I like that one too. And the backs are just like that, so you can always glue them on projects. And this one you get 2 each. I tell you, this haul right here is a jackpot. I hit the jackpot in this one. I like that one. Okay, this one here. Now you know me, I like bows. I don't know why, but I do. Maybe they're girly. I don't know, but I love bows. I got some beads. And these ones, I don't know, they kind of look Christmassy, but I still like them. So I'll take a few of them out. So let me show you that. And these do fit on a beatable. I know they fit in my pokey tool, and they should fit on a beatable pen. They are like an AB, so they have that weird shine on there. And if you look at them, they do have a stripe. Let me show you on my pokey tool. Look at that. See how they fit on there? They do fit. And like I said, they do have lines on it, which I think is pretty cool. That. So yeah, so I have those there. Okay, the next thing I have is this tweezers and squeegee. Okay, I got this for my bookmarks. I got this for my bookmark, so I could put the UV DTF stickers on it. So that's what I got this for. I thought that was a good combination, and it's pink, of course. So I got those, and it wasn't a bad price. And then the last things I did get are some dies. Let me show you this one. Okay, this one is a cute one. This one's a coffee cup, and what you could do is put either the lamb or the little bear or the rabbit in the cup, and they're just popping up at the cup, and you go ahead and color them. So that's actually pretty cute. Got that one, and then I got a sentiment one. Let's see if I can read this one. This one says, thinking of you, sending so much thanks, and birthday wishes. So that's a real nice one for a card, or even just a sentiment to send. And then here's another one. Now this says happy, and then here's a little square where you could cut a sentiment out, and it says, so you got happy holiday. Let's see, happy, what is the other one? I don't know what the other ones are, but I have a picture in the video because I suck at that. But anyways, that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. So make sure you leave a like. I will have all the descriptions below. Make sure you do subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day, and bye bye.